That is what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, mate. The rear tires were starting to wear out anyway, so yeah, it wasn't popping wheelies because of that, but I've stiffened up the rear suspension a bit more. Maybe I need to go down to, maybe I need to adjust it all the way down. But nothing broke. It's got the Taylor RC diff locker in there. That 4mm pin, the lace shaft pin didn't break, looks like, so all that is still good. What I'm extremely happy about is I put in a bonehead symsteer with an AGFRC 100 kilogram servo, and with the diff locker on the road, no problems at all steering, so that works fantastic. I even put a 45 kilogram AGFRC throttle brake servo as well. That's all perfect. I mean, it's a bit weird to drive it like this with a diff locker, but it didn't break, so you can see the amount of punishment that I gave it. So I actually wore those BRP tyres down to the rims almost. I got another set of BRP tyres, so I'll chuck them on. I'll blow those up, and then I'm gonna put some GRP Italian smaller diameter tyres for doing burnouts. So yeah, I'm very happy. That went really good, actually. That went fantastic. So yeah, symsteer from Bonehead with a 100 kilogram steering servo, AGFRC. Works. Couldn't believe it, but it works really good with the diff lock on the road. So there you go.